All right, everyone, gather around.
The Hoover Dam tunnels.
Right down the elevator.
In case you haven't guessed it, we are at the Hoover Dam today. Day 4 in Nevada. And whoa, this place is huge. It is humongous. Stay tuned for a little more. I hope you like the B-roll. There's so much security in Nevada, it is crazy. But take a look at this. Look at this place. Flipping massive. Completely massive. We're gonna take a tour. Hopefully we can bring you guys along, but I don't know. Security's kind of tight, but wow. Babe, are you ready?
Oh, I'm so ready. This place is freaking awesome. It's massive.
We'll be right back. The Hoover Dam tunnels.
Right down the elevator with me. My name is Judy. I'm your tour guide, so let's keep it. Now here we have a map of the Hoover Dam. And right now we are here inside a diversion tunnel. There's 4 diversion tunnels here at the dam. There's 2 on the Nevada side. You are standing on the Nevada side, and there's 2 on the Arizona side. Now each tunnel is 50 feet in diameter and about 4,000 feet long. It took over 2 years to blast these tunnels out of the solid rock. Now the tunnels were created to divert the Colorado River away from this construction site. To do this, or to force the river to change its course, coffer dams were built. An upper coffer dam, a lower coffer dam. Now the upper coffer dam forced the river into the diversion tunnels. The lower coffer dam prevented the river from backfilling into the construction site. Now, coming in, wrap around the wheel and turn over there. Please look down onto the power plant floor. Here you can see the red-colored generators. There's 17 generators here at the dam. There's 8 on the Nevada side. Remember, we are on the Nevada side, and there's 9 on the Arizona side. Now, each generator is 70 feet tall, but here you're only seeing the top 30 feet. The remaining 40 feet is below the floor. The generators can produce up to 130 megawatts of electricity, and one generator can provide about 65,000 homes with power.
We're about to go outside. Oh, you up there? Oh, there's the guy there. On the other side? Not really, I want to go outside.
I'm glad we did this part of the tour.
Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, the Hoover Dam. Damn!
This massive arch gravity structure contains 3,250,000 cubic yards of concrete.
I wonder how many people have
That's
dropped their
enough concrete to build a 2-lane highway from San Francisco to New York City. The thickness of the roadway is a mere 45 feet. But as the dam expands towards the base,
That's the
it
free
reaches
one, or the $10
660 feet, nearly as thick as it is tall. She weighs in at a petite 6.6 million tons. Behind the dam, you could see Lake Mead, the largest man-made reservoir in the United States. It has a storage capacity of 9.2 trillion gallons of water. Enough water to flood the state of Connecticut 10 feet deep. The body of water in front of the dam is called the Taveling.
Not gonna lie, again,
But in reality,
Nevada is
that's
just
the
full of like
Colorado.
amazing sights. It's just, you guys gotta get down here.
This
Do
is
whatever you
where
can.
the water is drawn
All right, aren't you amazed?
Hundreds of feet below the surface of the lake and spills through the turbines, flowing on
Wow, it's just
downstream.
all the water, and then
55
so
degrees.
94 people, workers died in building this that were drowned, got just hit with sliding rocks. I mean, it's a marvel.
At the
Just,
base,
wow,
you
it's
see
so big.
2 long buildings.
Crazy
One
that
on
this started
each
at the end of the
side canyon.
1920s. And we can build something like this that lasts so long. But our cars don't last that long.
That provides the funding for the
All right, let's get to
operation
the
and
actual
maintenance
dam.
of this facility.
Gotta get to the damn wall. We'll be back.
Oh, so we'll do a circle on the way.
Mm-hmm. This is the side where the water comes out of the dam. You might have seen this side in the movie Superman. Yeah, where he gets pissed off, Lois Lane dies, and the dam starts crumbling. Yep, there's the side right here. All right, so I'm gonna give you a kind of perspective of how it would look if you were to jump the dam. So hold on for this trip. Yeah, you're not gonna survive that. Plain and simple. Let's check out the rest of the dam, the Lake Mead side. This is the Lake Mead part of the Hoover Dam, and that line that's on the walls here on this little gorge area, basically that's as high as the water's gone. And they said, according to the tour guide, if it gets that high, it's a pucker point, because you're almost reaching the point where the water goes over the dam. Only twice have they come close to that, but that's the line right there, right along the rock. Anyway, that's the end of our Hoover Dam experience, but we're heading over to the Hoover Dam Inn and Casino. I don't know, maybe we can take you guys along for that. We'll see. Bye. We made it to the Hoover Dam Casino. I mean, yeah, well, it is a casino, Hoover Dam Inn. But right behind it is Lake Mead, so we're gonna take a quick look at that before we go in. This looks pretty nice. But because of a casino, I'm pretty sure we can't actually record in there. So we'll try. I mean, I'll walk in with it at my side like a holstered gun and see what happens. I don't know if they'll let us record, but check this out. The largest man-made lake in the United States is Lake Mead. It's just amazing. It's breathtaking, the views. True story. Oh, here's something interesting. You can actually see the line that they talked about on the rock over here as well, to where the water got so high twice in the history of the Hoover Dam that they had that pucker moment. And this is a ledge over here too. What is it? And damn Nevada and Arizona with these ledges without any protection. Geez, take a look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that line over there, but it's right over there. You can see that. You probably can't even see my finger either, but what can you do? Work in progress. But that's it. You want to go hit the inn? The lodge. I'm sorry, it's the Hoover Dam Lodge.
I'm gonna go casino a little bit, find some souvenirs, junk we just don't need. It's gonna be good.
There's actually a trail over there. Look, there's some benches over there you can sit at. And you can go all the way down. Yeah, but then you gotta come up, and that sucks. That really sucks. All right, we'll see you guys later.